Build AI chatbot with Vercel SDK, TypeScript, LangChain framework, and OpenAI API. The presented code is available in the GitHub repo, link in the description. The Vercel AI SDK is a collection of tools to help you build AI-powered user interfaces. In this tutorial, we will combine it with the LangChain framework, which is created for developing applications powered by language models like GPT. Let's start a project by creating the AI app in Next.js 14. Then we should install AI and OpenAI packages, which are compatible with the Vercel Edge runtime. Then we should create .env local file for storing environment variables, which will be OpenAI API key. Now we can proceed to install LangChain framework and start coding. Let's start with the API endpoint. In the app directory, create a folder chat and inside it, add a route.ts file. Then let's import needed functions like streaming response, creating prompt template, etc. Under imports, it is necessary to export runtime as edge and create a format message function to combine the role and the content of the message. The time has come to create a template for the prompt. According to the prompt engineering concepts, we set a role and give clear instructions with a history. Then we set a standard post request with which we'll get messages from the body and format them. The logic takes previous messages as a history and current message as an input. Then we initialize a chat model and set temperature to 0.8, what means that responses will be more random and diverse. Output parser variable is a new instance of bytes output parser class, which is responsible for handling the serialization and encoding of message chunks in the chat model. The rest of the endpoint code initializes a processing chain for the chat model and streams the chat history and current message content through the chain to generate a response. Then returns the streaming response to achieve the characteristic GPT typing animation in the UI. Let's create a front-end part by modifying the page.tsx file. At the top, we should mark that it is a client component to use a useChat hook from AI package. Let's name a component chat and the structure values from the useChat hook. It is a very helpful implementation that provides all messages, current input, and handling functions. Then we can simply style our chatbot UI with Tailwind. As you can see, the useChat hook is extremely easy to use even for beginners. Then we can check the result. The model is responding, but the UI is pretty awful. We can modify it a little and the result is more eye-catching. It is more likely a proof of concept. You can find the code in the description and style the app or build more upon that. A great idea is to connect it with a vector database like Pinecone or others, which will be used as a memory for our chatbot. If you would watch such a tutorial, leave a comment below. Do you want to become a modern developer? Subscribe to Modern Dev Weekly newsletter, link in the description. Till the next time.